SMUB is a startup company. What we do is incredibly fun and incredibly exciting. SMUB actually allows you to post, share and bookmark from any device to any device. As a traveler, I move from one office to another all the time. And whenever I connect my PC to any of these offices, I don't have to look, for example, to the printer. Windows 7 will find out directly the right printer I should actually be connected to.
At SMUB we are very mobile. I personally travel a lot, from Lyon to Paris to San Francisco to Brussels. And the power management of Windows 7 is definitely one of the major aspects I like. And for a company like SMUB, it's critical.
Yes, SMUB worked right away with Windows 7 for the first time. We develop it, we install it, we test it, and no problem.
If we want SMUB to be a winner, we have to be with winners. So the best way for us is to choose the winners on the market. Windows 7 is definitely going to be a success, and you will see the reaction of the users. I'm sure they are going to love it.